Dear brothers and sisters, someone asked a mother, "How did you rear so many children so well?" And the mother replied, "The key was our first child. My husband and I realized from our own family experiences in our youth that the younger children in larger families look up to the eldest child. The first child is like the foundation of a building. If the foundation goes down well, the building goes up well." And Jesus would agree to this. He himself put a great deal of care and effort into teaching the 12 apostles. They were the eldest children of the church. Both Paul, St. Paul in Ephesians chapter 2, verse 20, and John, St. John in today's reading, gospel reading, refer to the apostles as the church's foundation. A different man of different walks of life, all daring to face the storms of life. It may be on the sea, it may be among the human society. Matthew was a tax collector, an outlaw person according to the Jews. How could he lead the people to God? The sons of Boanerges, James and John, they were called sons of thunder, very hot-headed. How could they lead people to God? Simon the Zealot was a revolutionary, a fighter, ready to fight for his nation. How could that type of person lead people to God? So these are the people Jesus saw something different in them beyond their personality. And they were ready to build a deeper relationship with God, with Jesus, their leader. What kind of foundation are we laying for our future spiritual life? Are we ready to build a deeper relationship with Jesus like Nathanael, Bartholomew, the apostle?